This was the bolt that stopped me. This was the bolt that stopped us. And this was the bomber rash bolt that took hours of attempts to actually take out. And this was the bolt which, given to Mario, took out in 5 minutes of his Polska blood clot powers. So now we can install that second strut. Yeet. Hey yo, welcome, MotorAlli here, and today we've got the second install of the second tactical gas bonnet strut, whatever it's called, tactical racing gas bonnet struts. Got the second one to go in. Thank you, bomber Ras, to Mario for he took it out in 5 minutes. Like, we spent like at least 9 hours just going, filing it down. This man, I asked him really kindly, Mario, can you please see if you can get this bolt out? And then I go down and paint one of his motorcycles, and then he comes back to me, like within like 2 minutes, and he's just holding the bolt in his hand. He's like this, like some madman. Like, I don't know what happened there, but he got it out within like 2 minutes, and I'm forever in his debt. So today, I'm sorry I've been a bit dormant, but yeah, I've been working in the shadows a little bit. Got some nice stuff to show you guys soon. We've got absolute carbon, more like absolute amazing carbon, and then we've also got Sebastian, who sent me a two big packages, which is still on its way, and one of them will go to you guys once we hit a milestone. So yeah, let's bomber rush, get on with the video. Let's install the second strut. Let's go. So the first thing I'm gonna do is actually gonna tighten the base of this because it's come a bit loose. So we're just gonna tighten it a little bit. Boom. So now this is on. Nice. Right, okay, let's go to the other side. So it's basically the same principle as last time. What we want to do is line up this at the top of the bonnet hinge with the black bit facing outwards, and then you're going to take this little piece off by twisting it and then taking it out, and then put it in, and then put that little lock back in, and then boom, you're good to go. So first things first, let's actually get this installed up here, and then let's go. So we get our screw, put it in. I don't know if the threads are even a thing on this car anymore. Do you know we have got threads? We have got threads. Yo, I might have just cross-fitted everything. That's fine. All right, so now let's get our Allen key and just tighten this up. That bit's done there. This bit here is the part I was telling you about. If you haven't seen my installation video, go check it out. And if you want to buy these, go to tacticalracinguk.com, make yourself a purchase and use code MotorAlli5 to help me out and the channel, and as well get yourself a little cheeky discount. Right, so now this is out. We're gonna put this on there. But to do that, you have to balance the hood whilst doing it. So now let's go balance the hood. So now we get this up as we're balancing the hood, and just put it down a bit, boom, make sure it's in. Clicks in, boom. Now we go get ourselves our lock, and then we do the reverse. So we find the hole which is down here underneath. And we just slide it in. Can't see it on the camera, I can't see it in real life. So you want to slide it in. How is it not going in yet? Right, is it in, is it in, is it in? Is it in? Right, looks like it's in, and now you slide it around, boom, locked in. So now we've actually installed both struts. So now guys, we actually installed both of the tactical bonnet racing struts inside of the Civic. So let's actually see what they look like, both of them, when you put the hood up. And now we lift it up to a point. Lift up, oh. Now that is sick. Yo, that is, wait. Okay, so you have to lift it up to like halfway until it hits in about there, no. Oh, it's going. It's going. Yo, we did it. So yes guys, we've done it, we've actually installed it. But yeah, as we can see, you lift it up halfway, it balances itself. Right, so I've managed to balance it. Boom, that's it, video done guys. No, Oh no, look, it's going, it's going. Look at that, if I do that. Yo, this is sick. This is lit, look at it. Bombaras. Yo, this is sick. This is, wow, this is actually, oh crap, I've done it too. I can't believe that, look at that. Bombaras. But that's it guys, the tactical gas bonnet racing struts have been installed, both of them. I can't believe it. It's actually better than I expected. Like, when you lift it halfway and it does the rest for you. That's actually lit. That's actually, look at it. It's lit. Look at that, look at that. Yeah, look at that. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This has been MotorAlli and this is lit. Thank you, big up Mario, big up Tactical Racing. Oh, I can't believe this. I'm actually really gassed. Yeah, this is sick. So yeah, I hope you guys like the Tactical Bonnet Racing gas struts, whatever they're called. It's been MotorAlli and I'll see you in another one. Bye.